Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. My name is Shelly and today is episode 6 of National Soup Month, and I am going to show you how I made this delicious tomato basil bisque using my Vitamix. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I will have the ingredients and the recipe in the description box. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. I'm simply using my Vitamix to make this tomato basil bisque. I am using the stewed tomatoes that I canned last season from our crop in our garden, and it was from the cellar. I will link up above some of the projects that I canned on last season. From the cellar to prep time to the table was 20 minutes. You cannot beat that on a cold winter night to fulfill the needs of feeding your family. And so the house was divided. Some wanted a baked potato, some wanted a salad. I wanted the cheesiest grilled cheese ever. In the comment box, what do you like with your tomato soup or your tomato basil bisque? With this Vitamix, it can make your foods hot or you can make cold foods. It's a multi-purpose blender. Juices, ice cream, soups, dressings, whatever you had desire. It's an array of things. That's why I love my Vitamix. 6 minutes and your soup is ready. You see the smoke coming off? It's ready for the table. And there you have it. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, bon appetit, God bless you, see you next time, love you long time. Bye bye for now.